Hey guys, it's Vespa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going through entry number 2 into my Halloween birthday challenge giveaway. If you are interested in joining us on that challenge, please see the link below in the description box. There is plenty of time to still enter. You can enter until October 31st. So in just a moment, I'll be getting into this package from Heather Thompson. She's also the Ice Cat here on YouTube. So we're going to show her some love for this. Thank you so much, Heather, for sending in your entry, and we'll get into this in just a minute. Okay guys, we're back. Let's go through this entry. This entry came all the way from Canada. So I'm so excited that you are able to enter this giveaway challenge, Heather. And let's see what you sent. I went to the diamond mine this weekend and I came back and I had packages to open. I was so excited. So this is entry number 2 into the Halloween birthday challenge giveaway. It's trying to come out. Oh, look how cute! Oh, I love those. Those are so cool. I had a box of these from years ago. Mine are just a little bit different than this, and I was getting kind of sad because I was running out and I didn't know where to find them anymore. So thank you so much, Heather. This is awesome. I just love all these designs. These come in so handy when you're working on Halloween crafts and stuff. Okay. This is not going to come out. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute that is. Look how cute he is. He's all like jingly. He's got his own bone sounding kind of jingle. That is so cool. I love that. I'm going to put that on my keys. He's so cool. But look how cute that is. So yes, this one's from Heather Thompson, and she is the Ice Cat on YouTube, and she is also the _Ice Cat with a K on Instagram if you guys want to follow her over there. Move that to the side, but look how pretty that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Heather, you did so good. Look how cute. It's just so pastel-a-ween. Let's get wicked. Very cute. I love this little shaker you got going here. It's kind of a potion bottle, and I love how it's all turquoise and purple. And there's like some little sparkles in there. So this one's like a little shaker, and it's so cute. I love what you did. It's so adorable. It's got this cute little pink bow on it. It's so cute. Oh, look, it's a little, oh no, I tore it. Oh, it's still cute. Look how cute. Look at those little skulls in the back. They're little altered paper clips. That is adorable. I think you did amazing. Shakers are just so happy. Don't shakers just make you guys happy? I'm easily amused, I guess, but I love shakers, and this one is so cute. Look at that pink paper on the back of there. So like if you clip it and then the edge is hanging out over your paper or something, you can still see the back. And I love this that you put on there. So spooky. But look how elegant that is. That is just so cute. I love it. Well done. Oh goodness, there's so many things in here, girl. Spooky. Look how cute that is. Just put a little bit of that cheesecloth in the back so it makes it look like it's got spider webs on it, which is really cool. And so this is just a little card, which is perfect for journaling and stuff on. And look at this one. Look how pretty. How she's layered up those different elements. And then she's got this one with that kind of gold look to it. And that, again, that's a perfect little journaling card. I love this paper. I don't have any of that kind of paper. I think, is this the Spooky Boo collection? I think maybe I don't have any of that. So I haven't been able to lay my hands on it. So I love those. Those are so cute. Oh, look how cute. I love these little die cuts that you sent. Let's look at those. Oh, that's so neat, because now I'll have some stuff to be able to do a little bit of Pasteloween crafting. I don't have anything like that. Look how cute, little pink pumpkin. And then there's the little turquoise pumpkin. Turquoise is my favorite color of all time, so I think it's awesome that it's in the Pasteloween collection. And that one, and then the little purple one, and a darker pink, kind of a whitish pink, and then some more of the turquoise and pink, and then a little bit of that. Oh, love, love, love. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. Super cute. Super cute. Perfect. I'll have all kinds of little things, embellishments and things I can put into my own, like maybe a little journal or something. These are adorable, girl. Thank you so much. I have a couple of like vintage Rolodex bases. They're kind of like rounded like that, so that they just sit on your desk. They don't have a top or anything. And I've been wanting to do one of them in like a Halloween theme, so these are going to be awesome. Oh, look how cute. Look. I love the edges of those. Those are so cool. It's like textured almost. And that one, that's so pretty. So these are going to be awesome to put into that. Those are so cute. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, Heather. Look at this. That is the cutest thing ever. I love it. It has the little wand there and that creepy little eyeball. That is so cool. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, she sent a couple of them. That's a cool die. If that's a die that you have, I assume that it is. That is super cool. Neat. I like it. Look at this cute little bag that she made with the little spooky little ghosties and this cute, cute little hand-dyed doily. I love that. That is so pretty. Gives it just that tiny little touch of elegance. Oh, goodness, look. There's so many things in there. Look. Goodness, girl, you spoil me. Oh, my goodness. Look at all that cute stuff. I love that bag, and this thing is just the bomb. He's so cool. He's so spooky. Oh, wow. Look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, the little mermaids. The little mermaid tail. That is so adorable. Thank you. I'm trying to set things out so you can see everything. Oh, look here. We got this little thing. It says, "Creep it real." Oh, gosh, you did so good. He's so cute. We got this cute, spooky little bear with his little bow tie. He's so cute. I love that. That's got some neat texture on it. Let's creep it real. So we've got this perfect little bag topper here. I can reuse that. And then we've got some goodies in here. Oh, you sent me all the goodies. Okay. Let me just fold this up here. Oh my goodness, girlfriend. Look how cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the little bear, the gold bear with the purple skulls. He's fantastic. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. That should be a paper collection. Little bears that are Halloween spookiness. Look how cute. Oh, they're so cute. I love all these little tags that you cut me. Oh, those are so cool. I'm going to be able to make a little Pasteloween journal. Look how cute. Love that. So many cute things. Oh my gosh. Look at these teeny tiny little coffins. Oh, I totally need that die. That is so cool. Oh, I love how it has that kind of stitched looking detail around the edges. That is really neat. I love that. Got a little circle, and then there's all kinds of little tags and things. These could be used for like Pasteloween potion bottles or something. So those are pretty cool. There's a bigger one. That's cool. And then there's some of those little ones again. We got some little ghosty papers and little cut aparts for the boot. Ooh, look how cute that is. That's a neat die. I love how it punches a circle with the spider web in the middle. That is really cool. Oh, and they got bigger ones. That must be in a set, maybe. Or did you cut these on a machine? That is really cool. I love how it has all of those little kind of perforated edges. So these are cool for like layering up. So thank you so much for sending multiples of those. Those are cool. And this says Happy Halloween. And then there's a little cute kind of romantic pumpkin and a little layered mats to layer up with some different elements. That is so cool. Thank you so much. You sent so many cute things. I absolutely love this Pastel-Halloween stuff. Super cute. Oh, and I love this little bag topper. Oop, wrong one. This little bag topper is the cutest. I love that little bear, and it's got the little handle. I love how you put the little details on it and all the little shreds there. So super cute. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. Oh goodness. This one. Oh, look at that. Look at all that spooky, awesome. Well, I love the colors of that. Oh, it's got like little beads and stuff in it too. Oh, that is so neat. You guys can see that, hopefully. It's got like little lavender beads and like different purples. And look how cute. Oh, there you can see it better. Look how cute that mix is. It's got all these like Halloween things. And then we've got this super cute little bag topper with a little sequin on the front. Super cute. And she's got it paper clipped on so that I can reuse it, which is really cool. Thank you so much. I love that. That's a really cool mix. That's going to make some cool shakers. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. I have never seen those before. Look how cute those are. They're like a swirl with like iridescent look to them. Little jimmies. Those are the coolest little jimmies I think I've ever seen in my life. Those are awesome. Look how cute. Love how they're white and purple and they go perfectly with that Pastel-Halloween theme. I really love those. Look how detailed they are. They almost look like an antique button or something. Those are so cool. Thank you so much, Heather. Oh my gosh, there's more. Look at those. Those are some serious sparkle. Those are like almost like real glass or something. They're really heavy. They're not plastic ones. Wow, those are beautiful. Look how those sparkle. And they're all like sticky backed. Those are so cool. I can use those in so many different. Ooh, look, it's like that one she had on the bag topper. They almost look like shells, but they have kind of a round detail here and then some lines coming out. I think you can see it a little better on this one here. Look how cool. Those are really cool jimmies. I've never seen any like that before. Thank you. Oh, those are going to look so cool in so many different projects. Oh, look how cute. It's a teeny tiny little notepad with little ghosties on it. That looks like, you know, kind of vintage ghosts, like a drawing that you would have seen in the old days. So that is so cool. Thank you so much. I love how she decorated the little gift bag. Thank you. Oh, so many goodies I can decorate with. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Heather. I really appreciate everything you made. You did such a good job. Everything's so pretty and just on point with the theme. You did a really great job, and I really appreciate you sending me all these wonderful goodies. You are awesome. So everybody go check her out on the Ice Cat, the _ Ice Cat with a K on Instagram and YouTube, the Ice Cat. And her name is Heather Thompson. Thank you so much, Heather. I really love what you sent. You did an amazing job. Just gorgeous work. Thank you so much. So thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody that's playing along. It's been so much fun. And I'm going to try to connect with you, Heather, on Instagram just to connect, and I like to get to know everybody. So thank you so much. And if you guys still want to join, there's plenty of time. Still have another month. It doesn't end till October 31st. So check out that video in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.